Alright, here is my Airsoft arsenal collection, whatever you'd like to call it. I'm going to try and do this as least amount of videos. As you can see, I do have a lot of stuff here, and like to get as much in least amount of time. So for right now, this is video 1, and I'm going to go over some of the accessories first. Here we have just my BBs, .34s, .2. Those are the KSC Perfects. Tippmann goggles, Classic Army goggles, Tippmann goggles, and JT Flex goggles. MP5K silencer, one-touch Classic Army silencer, flash hider, a rail mount, quick loaders, Allen wrenches, Zippo lighter fluid, I don't know why that's there, MP5 mags, G36, FAMAS, M14, MP7, Mac 10, M4, AK Jump Mag, 74U, AK, AUG Mag, P90, L96, M24, shotgun shells, Mad Bull, grenade shell. On the right, the silver is the Classic Army grenade shell. Glock mags, Mac 11 mags, gas mags, ICS M203 grenade launcher, Mad Bull grenade launcher, some of my batteries, and my gas. Here's just some foregrips, UTG, flashlights, rail guards, mag clamps, just some random stuff. So I'm just going to do my pistols for right now, and then go on to another video. Right there is the KWA P226 SIG gas blowback pistol. That is one of my favorite pistols. That thing's amazing, does what it's supposed to do without any questions. KWA G34 Glock, discontinued, doesn't work. KWA G18C Glock, fully auto, semi-automatic, doesn't work, discontinued. Tokyo Murray Extreme 45, fully automatic only gas blowback pistol. KWA M1911 gas blowback pistol. Tokyo Murray Desert Eagle chrome gas blowback semi-auto. KWA KP45 gas blowback. Tippmann Beretta doesn't work. That gun's like 4 years old. Marushin 5.7 gas blowback. Crappy spring pistol. I got another one of those in there. Actually, I shouldn't say crappy at all. It's actually a pretty good pistol. It's UTG MK23 with metal silencer. That's the only thing that's metal. KWA Mac 11 A1. This is the older version with a Polar Star M11 silencer. My favorite pistol, the KWA KP45 Tactical 16mm threaded silencer from Tokyo Murray. That's really glossy though, and I believe it's UTG, I'm not 100% sure. Flashlight, that's only semi-auto gas blowback. Up here, Marushin Raging Bull revolver. That's a .34 gram shooter. And the only other things that are gas are those grenade launchers. And then there's the gas. But that's just it for the pistols. If you go on to the other videos, you'll see all of these guns in here in some more specific detail. Alright, thank you for watching part 1 of my Airsoft Armory.